Hello everyone, I'm Pedro Carlo Pavesi, I'm the new business development manager of FlyBy. Me and my team would like welcome you at FlyBy and we show you our facilities and our airport.
Hello, my name is Vanessa and I would like to show you the customer support. Follow me, please.
My name is Adrian and I'm going to show you the operations office.
Hello guys, I'm Giuseppe. Let me show you around our financial department of FlyBy.
Hello everyone, my name is Andres and I would like to show you the operations room. Come with me. Please let me show you also meteorology office and station.
Welcome to our HR department.
My name's Thomas and welcome to the hangars here in FlyBy. This houses our amazing on-site maintenance facilities as well as stores the fleet of the aircraft we have here in FlyBy.
And of course, our always hard-working maintenance team.
Here in FlyBy we have 3 simulators, one A320 simulator and 2 Technim 2006. Please let me show you one of those.
And now for our A320 simulator. Follow me.